Manila Mayor Isko Moreno and Hani Lacuna feud. Abay mas lalong lumalala. Hani Lacuna nagsalita na. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates.
I feel betrayed kasi bigla siyang tumakbo.
Yan ang ilan sa mga salitang binitawan ng present mayor ng Maynila na si Miss Hani Lacuna. Sinabi niya sa kanyang interview with Karen Davila that she was betrayed in how incumbent Manila Mayor Hani Lacuna described her feelings upon learning that former Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso intend to run for the mayoralty seat of the Philippines capital. Lacuna made the statement during an interview with 1PH. Sa totoo lang, on Monday, September 30, she said that Domagoso expressed his intention to run for Manila Mayor, which will put them in direct competition for the post. And according to Lacuna, Domagoso had previously assured her and their party that he would retire from politics. He lost the presidential election and would not oppose Lacuna in the mayoralty race. Definitely, I feel betrayed because when he bid farewell and ran for president, it was very clear to us, to our party, that if he didn't win or if he didn't get lucky, he said he would retire, sabi po ni Mayor Hani Lacuna. When asked about the possibility of rekindling the partnership between Lacuna and Domagoso, the incumbent mayor declared that it is impossible. So, tinanong po kasi siya dito ni Miss Karen Davila kung may possibility pa ba na sila po ay mag-collab or mag-partner po sa darating na halalan. Sinabi po ni Mayor Hani Lacuna na imposible na itong mangyari dahil base po sa mga statement na inilabas ni Mayor Hani Lacuna, talagang masasabi niyang tinraidor di umano siya nitong si Mr. Isko Moreno Domagoso. Sabi niya wala po very clear talaga yon. In fact, bago siya umalis ng Maynila, pinagbilinan pa niya kami ni Mayor or Vice Mayor Yul Serbo, Lacuna said. On August 28, Lacuna and Vice Mayor Yul Serbo, Lacuna said. On August 28, Lacuna and Serbo announced their re-election bid for Manila mayoral seat running under the banner of Asenso Manileño, a local dominant party in Manila that currently hold 20 out of 36 councilor positions. So, as of this writing, Domagoso has yet to formally announce his bid for the Manila mayoralty. However, in Facebook post, binigyan niya na po ng hint ang mga Manileños na talagang siya po ay babalik. Sabi niya, I will see you soon. Dinidinig ko ang sigaw ninyo, dinidinig ko ang panawagan ninyo. Prior to Domagoso's presidential seat, he and Lacuna were running mates in the 2019 election in Manila, where they both secured victory as his city mayors and vice mayor. They ran under Action Demokratiko, the party's scholar Domagoso carried under his bid for Malacanang seat. Domagoso went against his former partner, Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada and Alfredo Lim, both of whom he had served as a vice mayor. In 2019 election, Domagoso begged 357,925 votes compared to Estrada's 210,605 and Lim's got 138,923. Lacuna meanwhile garnered 394,766 votes while second placer Amado Bagaching received 267,286. Kaya po talagang sa last election kung saan magpartner po si Hani Lacuna at itong si Isko Moreno ay talagang nagwagi po sila at naupo sila bilang mayor at vice mayor nga ng Maynila. Pero this time, base po sa isang research or isang Okta Research Survey na ginanap po last July, lumalabas po dito na napakataas na porsyento ang nakuha ni Mr. Isko Moreno Domagoso laban dito kay Miss Hani Lacuna. Manila Mayor and re-electionist Hani Lacuna on Tuesday said she's not surprised with the recent survey which projected a landslide victory in 2025 midterm election for former Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Base po sa statement ni present Mayor or incumbent Mayor Hani Lacuna ay hindi na po siya nagtaka pa, no? At hindi na po siya na-surprise sa naging resulta ng survey na ito. The Anocta Research Survey last July showed that Domagoso would corner 86% of the votes for mayor and Lacuna only got 8%. So ganito po kababa yung nakuha ng parang tinanong po yung maraming mga taga Maynila kung sino ba talaga yung kanilang iboboto. And sabi nga po ng ilan sa mga politics na mga nagko-comments patungkol sa bagay na ito is kung ginanap daw ang eleksyon last July, maaaring landslide winner itong si Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso. Manila first ever female mayor attributed this to Domagoso's prominence as the national figure and his good social media presence. Alam naman natin talagang lahat po ng mga ginagawa ni Isko Moreno during his doon po sa kanyang panunungkulan bilang isang mayor, lahat po yun talagang nakalagay po dito sa Facebook. Recently na nga lang po talaga gumawa ng parang mga videos at ipinakita ni Hani Lacuna lahat ng kanyang ginagawa kasi para tuloy iniisip ng mga taga Maynila na walang ginagawa si Mayor Hani Lacuna kumpara po dun sa mga ginawa ni Mr. Isko Moreno, dahil lahat po yun recorded, lahat po yun ipinopost po yan sa social media, pati yung pag-ikot niya po sa Metro Manila ng madaling araw. Kaya po talagang sobrang saludo talaga sa kanya yung mga taga Maynila dahil sa kasipagan nga nitong si Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso dati. At ngayon, dahil po itong si Miss Hani Lacuna parang ayaw niyang gayahin yung path na ginagawa nitong si Mr. Isko. Kaya naman parang ngayon lang po niya naisipan na gumawa ng sarili niyang Facebook page kung saan doon mo makikita lahat ng mga kilos niya. Kasi parang para sa kanya ayaw niya na gayahin kung ano yung mga ginawa ni Isko, 'di ba? Katulad po ng pagre-record ng sarili habang ginagawa yung mga kanyang mga responsibility as a mayor. So, dahil doon, mas tumaas tuloy ang tiwala ng tao dito kay Isko, gaining prominence for his big ticket infrastructure projects in City Domagoso, then ran for president in 2022 but ended up fourth behind now President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., then Vice President Leni Robredo, and then Senator Manny Pacquiao. So ganito po, no, Lacuna said that she had continued Domagoso's infrastructure projects as she also kicked off similar projects like building more classroom and healthcare facilities. Still, the mayor noted that she mainly focused on social amelioration projects like distributing aid. So yun po yung isa sa mga sinasabi po dito ni Miss Hani Lacuna kung ano naman daw po yung inumpisahan nitong si dating mayor ng Maynila na si Isko Moreno ay pinagpapatuloy niya lang. She also said that she has received awards and recognition for good governance but lamented the lack of publicity and social media presence of her office. Yun yung kanyang pagkakamali. Hindi niya po talaga yun ni-record lahat. Kasi meron po siyang binitawang salita dyan while she was having a parang meron siyang speech at binitawan niya yan na hindi niya kailangang i-record lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. Pero dahil po doon, parang nawala po yung tiwala sa kanya ng mga Manileño dahil nga feeling ng mga Manileño na wala talaga siyang ginagawa.
Well, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe, at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page, Dareds TV. And also, I have my TikTok account, which is Dareds TV. Pwede nyo rin po akong i-follow doon. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless everyone!